Hello, this is just a quick video to thank YouTube as we've just received a high five YouTube logo button, and here it is. We've received it, we've built it, and this is the video to watch us build it. So if you like a bit of Lego and you like YouTube, check this video out. Also, if you ever thought of being a content creator before and decided against it, we're complete and utter beginners, whatnot, at it. But this award as such, or reward, or whatever it is, this plaque of honour, is to say we've reached 170 countries. We're a small local barber shop, but by pushing the videos out, we use the Ruzel hair products, and that seems to have built our videos quite well. And other reviews and stuff throughout the way, which has helped build us to where we've got today. So yes, if you ever thought of doing content creating, YouTube channels and stuff like that, give it a go. You'll enjoy making them and messing about. And yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Cheers.